How to stop iPhone brightness from dimming automatically. In this tutorial, I'll show you several settings you can check to make your iPhone display brighter. First, open Control Center and drag the brightness slider all the way to the top. Next, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap on Accessibility. Then tap on Display and Text Size. Scroll down and make sure Reduce White Point is turned off. If this setting is enabled, it reduces the intensity of bright colors, making your display appear much dimmer. While you're here, scroll to the bottom and check Auto Brightness. If your screen keeps changing brightness automatically, you can turn Auto Brightness off and see if that improves the issue. Now, go back to Accessibility. Then tap on Zoom. Then tap on Zoom Filter. And make sure Zoom Filter is set to None. If it's set to low light, your screen will appear much darker than normal. Finally, if your iPhone still looks dim, remove Low Power Mode by going to Settings page. Tap on Battery. Then turn off the low power mode and make sure your iPhone isn't overheating, since iOS may temporarily reduce screen brightness to protect the device. That's it. These steps should help make your iPhone screen brighter. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and iOS troubleshooting guides.